No breakfast. No breakfast. Just lunch.
What's up, dogs? We're gonna go pick up a GTR right now. We're gonna lowball him.
You're gonna lowball the hell out of them?
Yeah, we're cruising the Volvo.
Tell the people where we're at, Wes.
We're in Grottoes.
What we doing?
What we doing? The GTR, dog.
From where? Overnight from Japan?
They
send that shit. They send that shit overnight.
Yeah. Twin turbo. Twin turbos.
The turbo's been replaced. They're Garrett.
With injectors. They're injectors.
It has injectors. It has them. The car turns on.
Turns on.
It turns on.
Doesn't overheat. It has
wait. Sometimes it turns on.
Sometimes it turns on.
Sometimes you gotta knock on it a little bit for it to turn on. Apparently.
I don't know how we're gonna do that. So we're not gonna shut the car off all the way home.
Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna do a compression test because the starter is glitchy.
Right?
No.
Huh?
You gotta knock on the starter. I'm not pushing it. You're pushing it. I touched it.
Yo!
Ooh,
This is the skyline we're getting right here. Checking it out.
Pull up.
What do you think?
It's trash. It's like, oh fuck. Alright, looks clean. Alright, buy it.
That to keep the heat off of it before when it works and then keep it cracked in the summertime. But I've seen not new ones but used ones and way better condition than that for like $5.
Did you have like a parts list or a receipt?
Yeah, do you have the receipts from like the previous owner? Tell the people where we're going with.
We're going to the bank right now.
Yeah. We'll get
Make a
that
cashier's
money.
check. Because we buying a Skyline today.
And then where are we gonna meet the seller at?
At a winery.
Like it doesn't move. Go to the bank, bitch!
No, main 26. I like the board. Decide if it was windy to light one, but I've never smoked it.
I already got folks for it.
Oh, for real? That's what's up.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. No, that's a great car, man. Yeah, like I said, fucking the only other issue I've ever had was like the starter, pretty much. But you that starter one, you shouldn't have no problems with it. And then recharge the AC, put some dye in the system, see where that's coming through.
Yeah.
If it does fucking work, it blew like cold as shit, like when I charged it last year. Yeah, send me a message. I want to join y'all's little vlogs and shit.
All right, man.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, I like it. It's good. Good deal. Godzilla!
day, but we made it. And if you made it this far with us, please comment, like, and subscribe. And maybe we'll make more of these. Yeah, more content. Like and subscribe and comment. What do you guys think? Was it a good deal? Did Wes get a good deal? What do you guys think? Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I don't know. Wes would do something crazy to the car. Go wide body it. Wide body. All right, 1,000 likes for a wide body. Which kind of wide body? Who knows? Undetermined. But we'll see. All right, guys.
All right, guys. We just got home. 3-hour drive from was it Charlottesville? It's running good, man. It's actually faster than I thought it was.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's strong. Other than that, the AC doesn't work. We gotta get that fixed. Kind of smells like not power steering fluid. Yeah, power steering fluid.
Take these stickers off, right?
Yeah, they have some stickers on. Change the wheels. Other than that, it's cool, man.
Stay humble, stay humble. Change the wheels. What are you gonna change the wheels to?
Looks.
Oh, it's a secret though. Hold on. Don't tell him. Don't tell him too much. Don't tell him too much. You're gonna have to find out. You're gonna have to subscribe and comment and let me know what you think.